So it's always going to be something new. When a person decides to be themselves, they offer something no one else can be.
Yeah, because once you be you, who can be you but you?
Right.
That's what's wrong right now. Everybody trying to rap the same style with the, I don't know who created it, if it was Future or Migos, but all them niggas sound the same. I said, nigga had me in the studio one night trying to do that shit. I'm like, man, cut this shit off. What the fuck am I in here doing, nigga? I don't rap like that.
He said, what the fuck you got me doing?
Usted trepa encima de mí, yo dentro de ti te toca el punto E. Baby, ponte la Yeezy, mámame el bicho en el Panamera.
Yo soy un demonio, quería matarme pero se murió. El otro que dijo que iba a matarme, la N lo crucificó.